Hello, everyone. Today we're presenting how to use Little Bear Pie to establish integration with the OneNET platform. First, we enter the OneNET platform, sign up, add a product, input product details. After adding product information, click on the product. Here you need to view your own API key and secret key. After viewing, select the device list. You need to add devices in the device list. After adding, click on device details or click device details after adding. Add your API key here. After adding, the corresponding information will appear: key, device ID, authentication information, and so on. Record these pieces of information. Next, we enter VS Code to check the relevant code. Copy the obtained information into the following ID. After changing the ID, the device will have its own Wi-Fi account and password. Within the first task, connect to Wi-Fi and initialize. Invoke the OneNET platform integration function. Initialize the 53 module function in the second task. And ready 53 data and print it out. Next, you can compile and burn the code. Select the programming, burning file. Click on the link. Press the development board's reset button once. The connection was unsuccessful due to a mismatch between the Wi-Fi name we connected to and the one in the code. Next, connect to the configured Wi-Fi. Seeing this series of success indicates that we have successfully connected. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.